Hi children, good afternoon. Today we are talking about chapter 6, class 9, chapter 6. Lines and angles. ഭാഗ്യത്തിന് ഈ വർഷം ഈ വന്ന പുതിയ CBSE സർക്കുലറിൽ ഒരു എക്സസൈസ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4 ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അത് ഈ വർഷത്തേക്കില്ല. ഈ ബുക്കിൽ, പുതിയ ബുക്കിൽ ഇതില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് 6.1 മാത്രം എക്സാം പോയിന്റ് പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ പൊതുവെ ഈസിയാണ്. നമ്മൾ ഇക്വേഷൻ, ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ, പോളിനോമിയൽ ഒക്കെ ഇതിനേക്കാൾ ഹാർഡാണ്. ഇത് വളരെ ഈസിയാണ്. ആർക്കും മനസ്സിലാവുന്ന രൂപത്തിൽ വളരെ വളരെ പെട്ടെന്ന് മാർക്ക് സ്കോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ആംഗിൾസ്, ലൈൻസ്, അത് പുതിയ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് അല്ല. ലൈൻസ്, this is one line. You can say line segment. I know a line we cannot draw. Many points are there, many properties are there. So line segment. Yes. A line segment has 2 endpoints. A line has many points but no endpoints. A line segment has many points but 2 endpoints. Or we can say line we cannot draw. Do you agree with me? If you are drawing the line, it will go. It will endless. It is going on, drawing a line. We cannot finish it, but we can represent a line on it. We can represent a line. Many points are there, no end points, going on. That is the arrow mark you can see. What about the lines? Part of a line, 2 endpoints, many points are there. Again, we are coming to the ray. There is also part of a line, but 1 endpoint is the starting point, endpoint is there. That we studied before. Now look here, 2 lines. Now we are talking about angles. When 2 lines may be parallel, the distance will be same everywhere. Maybe intersecting, one intersection, point of intersection. In chapter 3, we study lines, linear equation lines. Pair of linear equation, 2 variables, linear equation, 2 variables, right? Now look, line intersect. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത്? രണ്ട് ലൈൻ ഒന്നുകിൽ ഇന്റർസെക്ട് ചെയ്യും, intersect, or not intersecting, parallel. The distance will be same. ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ 5 centimeter ആണെങ്കിൽ 5. റെയിൽവേ ട്രാക്കോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലെ ലൈൻ അതൊക്കെ എടുക്കാം. intersecting. Here perpendicular, we can say perpendicular, 90 degree. Everywhere. ഇതൊക്കെ വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടതാണ്. ഏത് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷനിലും കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ഹൗസ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ, എന്ത് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷനും ആദ്യം തന്നെ എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സ് അതിന്റെ ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെയൊക്കെ അറിയാൻ പറ്റും. ഓരോ ആംഗിൾസ്, എലിവേഷൻ ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും. ആംഗിൾ വരുന്നത് 90 ഡിഗ്രി പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ. Angles, here also angles. So what I am talking about, angles now. That means one arm, another arm. This is a vertex. You point at a vertex. This is an angle. Look at this, another angle. That means 2 arms. One arm here. This is a line segment, or I can say a ray. That's a ray. Another arm, blue arm, another ray. So it is common point is a common point angle we can see. It's an angle. 2 rays, that means arms and 1 vertex. Angles. Look here. We can see here. I told you 1 angle here. Vertex is the 2 arms. I think you can see. Okay. Now here we can say acute angle. Look, acute angle less than 90 degree, between 0 and 90 degree. Yeah, it is 0 degree. No angle is there. No angle. Overlapping, no angle, 0 degree. It is, look, After that, listen here. Acute angle, 90 degree, less than 90 degree acute angle. Then 90 degree. Can you see 90 degree? Every corner you can see 90 degree. That is a right angle. Then more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is obtuse angle. This obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle, right angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle. When that ray is that opposite, that is called right angle. Look here, the two rays are opposite. Very important, this one. Here, angle 180 degree. Here is the angle 180 degree. This is a line. The angle is 180 degree. Line in condition. You can see axis. If the angle is 180 degree, there is a line. It under eye opposite direction. That is a line. 180 degree. That is straight angle. Straight angle. Name of the textbook straight angle. Now look here. What is happening here? We study zero angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, the straight angle. Many angles we study. Now we are talking about a reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? Look here. Here is one angle. Here, the big angle here. Reflex angle. So what to do? Look here. We know this is an acute angle. But here it is, you can see a reflex angle. Because you know, total is 360, right? If you are rotating total here, 360 degree, 360 degree, we can do 360 degree. So reflex angle means, how can we draw reflex angle? So suppose you want the angle more than 180 degree, that is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. 360 degree means complete angle. How can you draw the reflex angle? Sir, our protractor is only 180 degree, 180 degree. You know how to use protractor. Here left side, here right side. Here inside you can take, there outside you can take. That is the way to use protractor. Here 0 to 180, 0 to 180 degree. If you want left side, inside, interior, that means you have to see in interior. And if you want the right side, if you want to draw, you can take the outside. There's a method like that. By logical thinking, you can understand. But my question is, how can you reflex angle? This is easy. Suppose you want to draw 200 degree. 180 degree only or protractor 180 degree, 200, how it is possible? It is possible. You know, one method is the total angle 360. 360 minus 160, that means 200. Correct? So what we can do, draw 160 here. This will be 200, total 360. If you want to draw any angle, that means 300 degree. You have to take 60 degree here, 60 degree. 360 minus 60, that means this is 300. Here you are getting the 300. Yes, we can make this 60 degree inside 300. Okay, I think you understood. Let me share the screen. You can see more clearly that. Listen here. About lines I told, about the angles also. Listen carefully. Acute angle, obtuse angle, everything. There is no confusion. I think it's acute angle. Acute angle, there is no confusion. Obtuse, right angle, many things we study. Obtuse, acute. Then I'm talking about reflex angle. Listen here. Only the thing, difficult part you'll explain, reflex angle. reflex angle. So how can we draw reflex angle? Reflex angle means it is 180 degree, more than 180 degree, and less than 360 degree. That means angle between 180 degree and 360 degree. How can we draw this one? Suppose the angle we need, what I told you, more than 220 degree. How can you mark 220 reflex angle? Draw the reflex angle 220 degree. What is the method? Draw one line, and you had to do something. This 220 degree, that means reflex angle. This is a reflex angle. 360 minus 220, that means 140. So what to do? You draw here, this 180, use your protractor. You can use 140. Then after that, what is the reflex angle? You want to 220. Okay, listen. This will be the reflex angle 220. You got the answer 220 degree. If you want to draw the reflex angle, draw the angle 360, total angle minus 220. That means 140 you are getting. So mark 140. So any angle we can write. Now, suppose you want to draw, as I told, 300 degree reflex angle. Sir, my protractor is, I cannot. You can. Okay, you do one thing. Make here 300 means 360 minus 360 degree. 360 minus. Because total angle is 360. So 300, we are making 300. So this is 60 degree. So here make 60 degree. Now automatically you got the reflex angle. Here we can see the big angle here. That is 300, the reflex angle. I think you understood. There is no confusion, I think. Atra hard on the reflex angle. Okay. So study again the definition. Everything in the book. So reflex angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, right angle, everything. Can you tell me what is the right angle? That means 90 degree. So study the reflex angle. And I told you arms, whenever angles. First I told about angles. Look here. An angle is an angle. Two lines, not two rays. Oh, angle you can see, this is maybe 65 degree. This is angle. Naming of an angle. Suppose B, A. We can say the angle, yes, AOB or BO, angle BO. That is the angle. This is a vertex. This is called vertex. What is it? Vertex. And this is arm. Both are arms. Two arms are there. Two arms and one vertex, you are getting an angle. Here rays, two rays are intersecting. Intersecting, I told you. Intersecting is intersecting. Point of intersection. Point of intersection. Yes. Then line may be not intersecting. That is parallel, like the parallel. The distance will be same everywhere. Suppose this is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, like that. First, I told you about the line. What I told about the line? I don't want any confusion there. Then only I can do the exercise. That means is 0.1. Only one exercise. In that also 4 questions up to 4 questions. That is easy. 5 and 6 little bit hard. Listen. This is a line. I told you we cannot draw a line. We can represent only. Many points are the line. And revise it. Then line segment. That means a part of a line. Here also many points are there, but 2 endpoints. And be the endpoint. Here no endpoints. Many points are there. After that we came to the ray. Remember, this is a part of a, again, part of a line, but one endpoint. Q, which is the endpoint here? You got a Q and endpoint. What is the ray? PQL. Ray QP is the ray QP, starting point here. A ray has direction. Now look here, suppose this direction, another ray. This is not AB. This is BA, ray BA, this one. Understand? Ray BA, not AB. Ray BA, this one. Be careful about not AB, ray BA. Direction is in this direction, BA. Not ray AB. So we can say ray BA direction. So many points are there. Many points are there. Many points are there. Okay. Now after that, what I told about this is a line. Right angle here 180 degree. 180 degree. We can see that means axiom. If angle is 180 degree, that is a line. After that, what we did? After that, suppose one ray is there and another ray, red color, another red color. It is here coming, you know the acute angle. This acute angle. Now you can see the 90 degree. It is coming like this, 90 degree. That is right angle. Here the ray perpendicular 90 degree. That means right angle. Then if you are bringing this ray to this side, this is here. What we did? We reach 90 degree. Then after that, we are bringing to this side. Look, more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. This is called obtuse angle. Obtuse. First one, what we told? This is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Obtuse angle. The right angle, 90 degree right angle. Right angle. Now obtuse. Then look here, one ray like that, the same ray. What I am doing, I am bringing the same ray, bringing here like that. The blue color and the red color. It came like this. See, that's it. Here, see, this is a straight angle, 180 degree. 180 degree, this one, 180 degree. Now here also 180 degree, that is called 360 degree, circle, complete angle. This is called complete angle. We know this is the complete angle. 360 degree. Zero angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, then complete angle. After that, I told you reflex angle. Okay, sir, what you want to draw a reflex angle of 310. What to do? Immediately you had to do 360 minus 310, that is equal to 50 degree. You have to take here 50 degree. then automatically you got, how much you got here? This angle is 310. This is the reflection. This is the reflection. Okay. So what I am telling, this is 180 degree. Now all of you look, study a straight line, straight 180 degree. Now listen here. The exercise is concentrated on this one only. After that, you can see what is that point of intersection I told you. A transversely intersecting two parallel lines. Alternating angles are equal. This all property we are revising. Class 7 we study this one. Now here look, application, the example. Here some example. Now look, this is X. And this is okay, fine, symbol only. This angle is given. This is 140. So what is this angle? Find out X. X is equal to how much? X is equal to. Yes, sir, we can do, because we know 140 plus X, that is equal to 180 degree. Total angle is 180 degree. So X is equal to 180 minus 140. That means 40 degree. We got it. 40 degree. Now, like this, the problem, many problems are there. How can you find out the angles? That means 180 degree angles are given. After that, one more point is the vertically opposite angle. You can see many things from the textbook. Now, tell me, through one point, how many lines we can draw? We can draw many. Through one point, we can draw many lines. Many. ഒരു പോയിന്റിലൂടെ ഒരുപാട് ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും. But 2 points, we can draw only one line. Remember that. Through one point, we can draw many lines. ഒരു പോയിന്റിലൂടെ ഒരുപാട് ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഒരു പോയിന്റിലൂടെ many lines we can draw through one point. Now mark the point. We can draw many points. നമ്മളൊക്കെ പഠിച്ച. But two points, we can draw only one line. Only one line. See, AB. Through B, many lines we can draw. But through AB, only one line. Through two point, we can draw only one line. Now, 3 points. Triangle. 3.3 line. Or we can draw many like that we can draw. Now a line A, B, C. See, 2 or more points on a line, they are called collinear points. Collinear. Study the collinear points. What I told you, 1 point we can draw one line, no, many points, many lines. And 2 points, we can draw only one line. And if all the points are on a line, that means 2 or more points on a line, they are called collinear points. Okay? Now listen here. What I want to tell, I told you intersecting. I showed you intersecting line. Now suppose like these two lines intersecting. Okay? So point of intersection is there. Here we are getting angle 1 or AOB, COD, right? AOB, COD, like that many we are getting think we are getting 4 angles. Yes. 1, 2, 3. We are getting 4 angles. The name is the property also the 4 angle. ഇങ്ങനെ 2 ലൈൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരി ഒരു പോയിന്റിൽ ഇന്റർസെക്ഷൻ ചെയ്താൽ. Look here. 1 green line, another blue line, another red line. Here we are getting angle 1, angle 2. They are called vertically opposite angles. They are getting 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. 1 and 2 are called vertically opposite angles. And here also we can see 3 and 4 vertically opposite angles. There is a property. When 2 lines are intersected, at a point we are getting 4 angles. That means 2 pairs. Pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1. Look here. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 3, angle 4 are equal. You can see angle 4, angle 3 are equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. They are called vertically opposite angles. All of you study vertically opposite angles. VOA. Vertically opposite angles. What I told. When 2 lines intersected on a point, this is O. 2 lines are intersected, red line and blue or green line. Intersect a point, we are getting 1, 2, 1, 2. Pairs, vertically opposite angle. 1 and 2 are vertically opposite angle. Now after that we can see here. Here also 1 angle here, 1 angle here. That is 3 and 4. Vertically opposite angles are equal. All of you please write this one. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is an important theorem, not axiom. We had to prove this one. You know, axiom is a truth. No need of, there is a truth only. Now it is a day. There is a truth. But it is a theorem. How can we prove this one? Before we studied axiom, that means when a line is there, angle will be 180 degree. Linear pair, before we studied, if angle is 180 degree, that is, if angle is 180 degree, there is a line. Now, how can we prove this theorem? This is a theorem, not axiom. Theorem. How can we prove this one? Okay, we can try to prove. Vertically opposite angles are equal. When when 2 lines are intersecting at a point, we are getting 4 angles. That means 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. How can you prove this one? Anybody please help me? It is the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles. The vertically opposite angles are equal. Can you prove this one? If 2 lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now listen. You can try to prove. If 2 lines are intersecting at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. What is the point? This is the point. We are getting the angles. I am marking the angles 1, angle 2, then angle 3. Make it another color, that is better. Okay. Here, angle 3. This is, tell me, angle 4. Angle 4. When two lines, L and M, I can say L and M are intersecting. Intersect a point O. This is the point O. We are getting 2 pairs of angles. That means 4 angles. Vertically opposite pairs of vertically opposite angles are equal. We had to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angle, angle 1 equal to angle 2. How can we prove this one? Okay, we can take first. Look here, angle 1 plus angle 3, that is equal to 180 degree. Because we know it is a straight line L, because the total peak angle, this is 180 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 3, that is 180 degree. The line was like this now. Here it is. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, so total is 180 degree. Okay, correct, 180 degree. Next one, angle 3. Now take this line, this side. Can you take this line? Take. Here also we can see a green line is there, like this. Here angle 3 and angle 2. Yes, this also line. We can say angle 3 plus angle 2, that is 180 degree. Correct? That is the question. Angle 1 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. I think there is no confusion. From 1 and 2, we can say angle 1 plus angle 3, that is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. Yes. Angle 3 plus angle 2. Now it is an equation, we can cancel 3, 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. You proved it from 1 and 2. This is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 1 and 2 same like this. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we can say similarly, we can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That is all. What we studied? Vertically opposite, that means when two lines are intersected, when two intersecting lines are there, we are getting 4 angles. That means 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. I think you understood this one. This property, using this property, many things we can, many questions are there. Look here, suppose we got this angle. This is 50 degree. Can you find out angle 1, angle 2, angle 3? Can you find out? Okay, please try this one. Very fast you can find out this one. Try and send me this homework. Okay. I am telling this 3, 180 minus 50. You are getting this 180 minus 50 because total is 180. That means this will be 130. Now we got, if this 50, this is 50. If this is 130, this is 130. Very fast we got. Because vertically opposite angles are equal. If it is 50, We can say this is 50, right? This is 50. This is 50. Vertically opposite angle is 130. This will be 130. 180, 180 vertically opposite angle. I think it is very clear, I think so. All of you, please write this question. Simple question only. Here it is given. One angle is given. Here 70. Then here angle 1. This is angle 2. And this angle is given. Here angle 3 is there. Understand? This is angle 3. Oh. One more angle is there. Angle 3. Now suppose this angle is given 110 degree. Can you find out all angles? Find all angles. Can you? This is a homework. Try to do this one. This is angle 1, angle 3, angle 2. Find angle 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you understood the question, I think so. Okay. So you can try. You have to find out. Okay, then tomorrow, show me the answer. Okay, then bye.